everyone, it's my vlogger Kids here, and today we'll be doing a jelly bean taste test. So we have 6 types of jelly beans, like different colors: red, pink, black, white, blue, and sort of yellowy. So, we have 3 of each type because I'm gonna do one, Dave's gonna do one, and then there's gonna be one just for us to look at the flavors while we're eating it, so we can remember all the different colors there is. So Dave is going first, and we're gonna just pick a random one. We actually do the little contest thing. We're just gonna each have one of each, like, and just describe the flavors. Yeah. Sort of cherry-ish. Yeah, very cherry-like. Cherry-like.
Cherry.
Yep.
Correct. Cherry.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. That'll clear it. Oh. Next is the pink one. Pink. This one's probably gonna be hard. Sort of sour lemon, kind of like almost sweetish. Yeah, the watermelon sort of, very sugary.
So you haven't guessed the flavor.
Yeah.
You want me to tell
But
you?
I can identify it.
Do you want me to tell you?
Yeah.
The flavor is strawberry cheesecake.
Okay. Yeah. I don't really taste the cheesecake part, but I definitely taste the strawberry.
Okay.
So next is black. It's probably gonna be black licorice or something. Black licorice. Yeah, black licorice.
Correct. That was the other easy one. Cherry and the black licorice. The next 3 are not easy.
This one looks like it's gonna be sort of almost. I don't really know what it's gonna be. This is gonna be like a fruit sort of thing.
I'm gonna taste
this
the
might
white
be
one.
lemony.
I'm gonna taste the
yeah,
white
this
one.
might be lemon, or it might be some sort of vanilla or
I'm gonna
something.
taste
I'll eat the white one. Coconut.
That's correct.
I was gonna say vanilla, but it's
Coconut.
I hate the coconut. I'm gonna go spit it out. I hate coconut. I can totally taste it though. Next up is the blue one. Oh, this is a good one. Definitely taste some blueberry.
Correct. It's blueberry something. I don't know what.
That's definitely blueberry. Blueberry pie.
I forget. It
Or
was
it tastes
blueberry
like
something.
pie. This tastes like something like blueberry pie-ish, like pastry-ish almost. Yep. The last one's the white one. Looks like it's gonna be hard.
Yellow.
Yellow. Well, yeah. Yellow. This is banana. Yeah. Totally banana.
Michael with a good palate. Banana something or other.
Yeah. Totally banana. Oh yeah. These have very strong flavors.
Okay, so now for the next challenge, what we're going to do is we're going to take these last 6 beans, and you have to close your eyes, and I'm going to mix them up, and you got to reach in and see which one you get without looking. Then you're going to take turns.
Before we do the contest, I'm just going to rank my flavors from favorite to least favorite. These are very close, like close call. Which one is the winner? They're basically tied for first. Second place, if I had to say, would be blueberry. Then whatever this one was, strawberry cheesecake. Then this banana, and then lastly, definitely coconut. If there was like a bunch of coconuts sitting in front of me, I would not eat a single one. My ranking is pretty much the same, but the only thing I might change, they're the same. I think this is my clear number 1, and then these are like tied, and then same order like that. Here we go. This is Michael. He's not peeking. Here it is. Everyone knows which one that was.
You can open now your eyes. Oh no, don't look at the pile, because you might do it by process of elimination.
It's definitely not coconut. Definitely not black or licorice. There could be some cherry in that. I don't think so. If I had to say, I would say that's cherry. Wrong! Oh, what is it?
Strawberry cheesecake.
Is this the camera here? Yep.
You can look now. I've got the pile covered up.
Yep. Cherry. Wrong!
Same mistake. It was strawberry cheesecake. Both of them got fooled on the strawberry cheesecake.
Come on! Oh. Go to the camera.
I'm going to try this one.
Okay. Oh.
Cover up the pile. Black licorice.
Yeah! Correct, you got the easiest flavor. There's absolutely nothing like it.
It's tough when you can't see it though, eh?
Michael's turn again. Here it is. Wait. Uh-huh. Wait. Is this coconut? Cheesecake? Or cherry? Definitely not coconut. It's cheesecake again.
Correct!
Correct!
3 times in a row cheesecake.
Woo!
Oh, you didn't hold up your bean. Okay, that's okay.
We know what color it is.
You can show your face if you want.
No. Cherry. Wrong!
Once again, it's
cheesecake! The cheesecakes are getting them.
4 in a row on the cherry cheesecake. He's fooled again by the cherry cheesecake.
Here we go. Yep. Yep.
Cover the beans so I can open my mouth, open my eyes.
Yep. Go.
Banana.
Yeah! Yeah! Like the 3 most obvious are banana, coconut, and
Show your pick to the camera.
Licorice. Show it. This is my pick. Okay. Yeah! It's coconut!
Oi! Pick it up, Michael.
Anyone know? Yeah, I'm just gonna do it. Close your eyes.
Ready?
Yep. Let me see which one is it. It's the one. Can I open?
Yeah, you can open. In his face.
It's that one right there. Coconut. Wrong! Are you kidding me?
Blueberry.
Blueberry cheesecake. Yeah, I don't like this one.
Not blueberry cheese.
A blueberry. Whatever. Wrong again. He's doing horrible.
Which one I like? I like the red.
Red? Yep.
I know. Yeah, if you have casino, better I can tell you which kind of cheese it is. What is it?
It tastes like maraschino cherry.
Yep.
Yeah, it's cherry.
Cherry.
Very good.
Yep.
What's
You do one. Just take a guess what the flavor is. You're picking the most boring ones.
Which one I like, but I don't know which one is it.
What does it taste like?
David will tell you.
Strawberry cheesecake.
Strawberry cheesecake.
Pineapple?
Nope. Banana.
Banana. Yeah. That's true.
Yep.
Okay, Tony.
Licorice, I don't like it.
No, don't. That's the black one.
Yeah.
They're nice, huh? They're good.
Michael's not a fan of that flavor.
Yeah.
What was it, the white one?
Yep.
Coconut.
Yep.
Coconut.
Do one of these.
Now, if you don't like black licorice, that's the black. So
No, I don't like licorice.
take the blue one then.
My mom used to love it, but I don't.
Blueberry.
I like the black.
Yep.
You like the licorice?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's gonna do it for this video. It's called the Jelly Bean Taste Test and Competition. Please like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment below. Thanks so much for watching this video, and as always, it's the Vlogger Kids signing off.